Hi Edward, thanks very much for contacting us with regards your CDA oven. You've got a CDA902-2SS. The SS stands for stainless steel. Now I'm away working at the moment because I'm travelling through Europe visiting manufacturers with regards all types of domestic appliances and doing some filming at different locations, and I'm in the middle of going down to Gotak in Barcelona at the moment, and I should be there in a few days. They're the people that make the selector switches. You're telling me that you're having problems gaining access to the fan oven element because the screws that hold the element in place are not visible inside the oven when you take the fan guard off. Now this means that you've got to remove the back of the cooker. Now once you've removed the back of the cooker, you'll find some thick insulation. You will see the two terminals coming from the fan oven element, and you'll be able to test it in location if you want to. But if you need to replace it, you need to actually remove some of the insulation. Just move it to one side and you'll see the actual screws that hold the element in place. Once you've undone those screws, disconnected the wires, you will then be able to take the element out through the inside of the oven and replace it if need be. Now what I've done for you is I've created you a quick web page with all the information you need, and the link to this is in the description below. There's a couple of videos there that will assist you in testing the element and also replacing the element, and there is also a link on the page that will take you through to the full list of parts for this cooker. I hope all this information helps you. I'm sorry I wasn't in the office when you actually tried to contact us, but as I'm working away, I'm not able to make phone calls at the moment to assist you. But thanks very much indeed for contacting us. Good luck with your repair.